Hey there! Welcome to Cloud Optimized. This channel will be producing content covering all things cloud computing. It's a pretty cool concept and it's something you've probably heard of, but might not fully understand. Don't worry, by the end of this video you'll have new and valuable knowledge of cloud computing. So, what is cloud computing all about? In a nutshell, it's a way to access computing resources over the internet. This includes things like servers, storage, databases, networking, software, analytics, and more. Instead of having to set up and maintain all of this stuff on your own, you can use the cloud to get what you need on demand. All you need is an internet connection and you can use the cloud from anywhere. But how does the cloud actually work? When you use cloud services, you're essentially renting space on a remote server or servers that are owned and maintained by a cloud provider. You can access these servers and the services they offer through the internet, using a web browser or a specialized app. It's kind of like renting a storage unit, but instead of storing physical stuff, you're storing data and computing resources. So why would you want to use the cloud? There are a ton of benefits to cloud computing. One of the biggest is cost savings. Setting up and maintaining your own servers can be expensive, especially if you're a small business or startup. With the cloud, you only pay for what you use, so it can be a much more cost-effective solution. Another benefit is reliability. Cloud providers have massive, redundant servers and they're always working to make sure they're running smoothly. This means you're less likely to experience downtime when you use the cloud. Scalability is another big advantage of the cloud. If you need more resources, you can easily add them. If you need less, you can scale back. It's a lot easier than trying to buy and install new hardware every time you need more capacity. Of course, there are also some challenges to consider when it comes to cloud computing. One concern is security. How do you know that your data is safe when it's stored on a remote server? Cloud providers typically have strong security measures in place, but it's still important to do your due diligence and make sure you understand how your data is being protected. Another challenge is vendor lock-in. If you become heavily reliant on a particular cloud provider, it can be difficult and costly to switch to a different provider later on. It's important to think about this when you're choosing a cloud provider, so you don't end up stuck with a service that doesn't meet your needs. So there you have it, a quick rundown on cloud computing. It's a powerful tool that can help you save time and money, and it's becoming more and more popular every day. Just be sure to think about the challenges and do your research before you jump in. If you're interested in the subject of cloud computing, this would be a great channel to add to your subscription list. New videos will be added weekly on Saturdays and Sundays with the latest news from the industry, cloud careers, cloud certifications, tutorials on using cloud services, and hands-on lab examples for learning how to deploy interesting cloud technologies, apps, and service. Please like, subscribe, and share our content so others might benefit from the knowledge shared. Thanks for watching.